All right, you've made it this far in your project. You are almost done. You have one more task to complete. So it says, as you prepare for the review of your work, there is one more task that needs completion. You'll be writing a paper to explain the process of your work. By communicating your deeds in a written format, you are communicating your understanding of work that you have successfully completed. If communicated well, you will be promoted within your organization. Lastly, conclude your paper with a personal reflection of the work. So in task 9, what I want you to do is look over the work that's been completed throughout the project and summarize the objective of 5 tasks with 1 to 2 sentences. Relate how the task corresponds to your map, then respond to both personal reflection questions with 2 to 3 complete sentences each. Okay, so basically what I want you to do is go through and pick 5 different tasks, whether that's task 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, or if it's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, just pick any 5 of them, and I want you to identify the math skill that you worked on and then relate it to the map. Okay, so I'm going to give you an example of task 1, so you can't use that one. So for task 1, you were actually, the skill that you were working on wasn't mathematical, but it was organization and creativity. So I could write a sentence that would say, in task 1, I was required to keep my work organized and apply my creativity to the project through drawing and making sure I had all the attractions that were required. And then I would say this relates to my map, as you can see, because not all of my attractions are in one of the quadrants. Okay, because remember there's 4 different quadrants on a coordinate plane. So you could write something of that effect. So again, you pick 5 tasks so you don't have to do them all, and write 1 to 2 sentences. Just brief, what is the skill, how does it relate to the map? And then the last part of this is this personal reflection questions down here. You do have to answer both of them. So what are your thoughts / feelings in regard to the work that you produced during this project? Again, 2 to 3 sentences. And then what might you change or include if you were doing this again? Again, 2 to 3 sentences for that one as well. You'll submit this on Google Classroom with this document, so you can actually just type on the document and then submit it to me. All right, have a great weekend.